Brakes without brake fluid? Sounds wild, but that's the reality behind brake-by-wire technology. So, what's brake-by-wire or BBW all about? Instead of old-school hydraulic fluid sensors, electric actuators, a smart control unit to handle all your braking, no messy fluids involved. Here's how it works. When you hit the brake pedal, a sensor measures your force and position. That data shoots to an electronic control unit which instantly calculates how much stopping power each wheel needs. Electric motors at the wheels press the pads against the discs, giving you pinpoint braking with millisecond response times. This tech powers modern aircraft, high-end EVs, metros, zipping through cities. Why switch? Faster, more precise control, no leaks, less weight, perfect partnership with regenerative braking for EVs. Actuators or pricey backup systems are a must. Certification is tough, especially for planes and cars. The future? Full electric brakes, AI prediction, smarter, lighter components. Brake-by-wire is more than a buzzword. It's changing how we stop,